In this video, let's see how the brain recollects pictures from its memory and assumes the animal behind the cage. These are the materials required. Take the first picture of the animal and mark 1 centimeter over it. Draw lines from the 1 centimeter markings. Do the same to the second animal picture. Cut it into strips of 1 centimeter. Strips are cut for both the animal pictures. Take alternate stripes from each of the animal pictures. Alternate stripes must be in continuous sequence. Take a strip of paper of 20 into 5 centimeter. Stick the selected stripes in order. It will look similar to this. Now let us make a cage. Take a paper as shown and mark 5 rectangles. Each rectangle is 1 centimeter and the distance between the rectangles are also 1 centimeter. These rectangles have 2 lines at the end. Slit the paper wherever the markings are there with the help of a cutter. Now the cage will look similar to this. Now insert the orange paper where the stripes are glued. Now a single cage with 2 animals is ready. The brain reconstructs the complete picture even if only half of the picture is available, assuming the other half of the picture from its stored memory. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. I will be posting new videos every week, so please consider subscribing.